Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can fix this issue. Like if something like this come up that charging is not available and liquid is detected within your iPhone lightning connector. What you need to do is a very easy and simple step. Just use a microfiber cloth, and you can see that this is the charging port. Just clean it down, and after cleaning it down and soak it up, just put it down and clean it up, soak it down. If your charges is connected again and the error still persists here, what you need to do is just put the charging cable here like this, and after putting it down, just take out and use your microfiber cloth again. Use your microfiber cloth again and just put it down again, taking it out. And after doing this, if the error still persists, reset your phone by volume up, volume down, and holding the power button from here for a second or two. It will restart the phone, and in most cases that issue which you will be facing will be resolved easily after the resetting of the phone, just like this. If the error still persists, you need to go to the Apple support or Apple warranty center, where you can claim your iPhone issue like this. But in 90% cases, the issues which you'll be facing will be easily solved out. So that's how you can solve this issue. If you still have any other question, just let me know and I'll try my best to get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.